Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video we will be reviewing these tablets Nebi 2.5. It is a product of Otsira Genetica and these 10 tablets have costed me 67.85 means approximately 68 rupees. These tablets are basically used for dilating or widening the blood vessels. So when dilation of blood vessel occurs, it reduces the blood flow. Automatically, this leads to the decrease in the blood pressure. So in case anybody is facing high BP, these medicines are suggested to lower down the blood pressure because high blood pressure is quite risky for the human heart. In case you are facing any issues, do consult doctor before consuming these medicines because you will get to know the right dosage and duration. Stay connected for more videos. Thank you.